Alright, I got with a friend here on Facebook and in the hobby real good with Traxxas. He's a Traxxas fanatic. He loves them. And he let me know what I was doing wrong with this Traxxas and the Pro Scale White kit. So now I do have turn signals. Rob, I appreciate you, man, and all the help. So I've got turn signals now on my little truck. Yep. And you can see the back one's back there maybe blinking too. Yep. Okay. Now, brake lights I think won't work because of the simple fact it's on scale brake mode. So anyways, yep. I got reverse lights, the whole 9 yards. So now when I go to hit my mode switch, there's a Pro Scale Power center right there. It's got a mode switch on it right here. When I hit it, it turns on my lights, my dims, and the side markers, running lights in the back, and that's on dim. Now watch this, on the bar back there, to go to bright, it's supposed to change them to bright too. It just barely makes a difference back there, but they do work. So that's pretty cool. There's my switch, and that turns on my little hands here, and it turns on my little rock underneath light, the ground light down here. It still works. Everything else is still working, which is a good thing. And like that, I'm ready to not crawl. I'm ready to day crawl, but it works. Thank you, Rob. I appreciate it. I got turn signals. Yes, I got all my running lights and everything. So that's awesome.